everyone. Look, where am I today? Yeah, a lot of fish is driving me crazy as well. So, let's do some fishing. You know, this is one of my favorite hobbies. Ah, enough fishing for today. Let's go home before it gets dark and I lost again. It's time for some cooking. Wash the fish to get rid of its stink. Now, squeeze some lemons to make it more tasty. Now add some fish masala to make it spicy. Add some oil in the pan. When the oil is fully heated, fry the fish in the oil until golden brown, like my furs, and the fish fry is ready. You can have it with any sauce of your choice.